Hello everyone, welcome back to Beating Alzheimer's. Today's topic is something that has been on my mind for a long time, the potentially profound impact of artificial intelligence on the medical field. This isn't just a theoretical discussion, it's personal to me due to my deep involvement in the Alzheimer's field sparked by my wife's diagnosis back in 2012. In 2011, I attended a presentation by a futurist who opened my eyes to the immense potential of computers learning from each other. The collective learning capacity of computers compared to individual learning is staggering. It led me to a realization: our traditional medical model where we expect a general practitioner to comprehend the entirety of modern medicine is impractical. Imagine this: a home computer becoming our primary medical diagnostician rather than relying on our doctor during a brief 15-minute visit. Sounds revolutionary, doesn't it? Let's talk about some groundbreaking experiments. Computers collectively learned to sort and categorize objects at a vastly accelerated rate compared to a single machine. This showcases the efficiency of shared knowledge among machines, and here's where it gets exciting, with profound implications for our health. Envisioning a home computer as a personalized health monitor is where AI truly shines. Continuously considering medical history, baseline tests, and family history, it has the potential to closely monitor your health against your unique medical roadmap. Regular updates such as weight readings and blood pressure measurements would make this computer a diagnostic powerhouse, surpassing a GP's capability. But here's the game changer. Your computer doctor, interconnected with millions of others, is continuously refining knowledge by tracking outcomes across the network. This model for primary health care far surpasses our current approach. Drawing from personal experience with my wife, who was the first person to recover from end-stage Alzheimer's, I strongly believe that a computer-based medical model could have identified her condition much earlier, preventing its progression and allowing for a return to a normal life. In those early stages, she exhibited visual spatial difficulties, challenges walking downstairs, poor road-keeping habits while cycling, and difficulty date sequencing paperwork. The damage wrought by years of vague medical guesswork and the incompetence of the Alzheimer's medical community could have been prevented by an AI-based medical advisor recognizing the significance of her symptoms in relation to her medical history and a particular genetic predisposition. Can AI prevent or treat Alzheimer's? In the context of Alzheimer's, where early intervention is crucial, an AI doctor could offer early warnings based on medical metrics, potentially averting the development of the condition. The ability to detect issues overlooked by the cursory nature of traditional medical approaches could significantly reduce the incidence of Alzheimer's. In summary, the integration of AI into the medical field, especially in personalized health monitoring, collaborative learning, and early intervention, holds great promises for preventing and treating conditions such as Alzheimer's. If AI attains what I envision, our medical model is in for a massive shake-up, and for the Alzheimer's world, that can't come too soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any thoughts or experiences to share, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with anyone who might find it valuable, and subscribe for more insight on beating Alzheimer's. Together, we can make a difference.